Hey everybody, welcome back to the next adventure. So if you follow my Instagram, Jeep Django, you'll see this picture I posted with another Jeep guy. Nice green old one. Anyways, we were talking for a little bit, then he gave me a lead on a new trail, which is exactly where we are. So I'm interested to see what we can find. I don't think it should be too long though, it's just a short trek, but also gives us a chance to check out a new toy that some company sent me. So it's pronounced Jinkey. So if you watch a lot of other Jeep channels on YouTube, you'll notice that before they hit a trail, they'll usually deflate their tires, right? And the idea is that it gives you more traction off-road. And I don't have anything like that, except until now. Now I got this Jinkey with the J. So I guess in line with that, that's what we're gonna do. So I'm gonna run through how to use this thing. It's pretty much just a tire inflator slash deflator slash pressure equalizer. Yeah, I guess I'll check it out. Let's just see if I can feel a difference, you know, or if it's just a myth. I don't know. We'll find out. All right. It's a cool little area. So we're on top of a hill and I see a lake right there, and there was a path, but so one of the things you'll run into when you're in Maine is that most of the property around here is pretty private, and there's a lot of people with a lot of guns out here, so I'm not trying to get shot. We're gonna stick to this area. All right, let's air down, yeah? So when you take it out of the bag, this is what it looks like. It's actually kind of like the color on this. The blue and the orange. Sticks out pretty well. So all you gotta do is just plug this right here, push this lip, they call it, in. There we go. So, pressure reads 40.8. All right, so I think the Jeep told us it was 41, so that's pretty close. I think a little bit got out here anyway, but all right, so it's pretty accurate, I'd say. Now let's plug this orange thing in to the other tire. .6. All right, not bad. It's pretty accurate. But what we want to do is deflate, right? So it's at 40 right now, 40.6. So if I take this off, push this pin in, you'll hear it deflating. So we're at 39.2 right here. And you can keep tightening it, which will bleed the air a bit faster. But it's gonna take a little bit. So while we wait for that, which will be a couple more minutes, took the doors off, as you notice. This is pretty fun right now. It's it just hit 70 degrees for the first time this year. So, pretty excited to take this bad boy Django out for a spin with this Jinkey product. I don't really know what Jinkey means. So the guy told me that it's kind of gonna be like this for most of the trek. So I don't think I have to air down too much. So we're actually gonna take it off now. I think we're at around 20, oh, we're at 27 now. Back tires are both 27, front tires are both 29. It took honestly like about 25-30 minutes to deflate all the tires, which took a while. And I did screw it in all the way, so it was bleeding the quickest. So it took a while, but hey, it did it. It did the job. All right, let's hit the trails then. We still got a little bit of sunlight left. Let's do it. So going down this way is chill. This way over there, that belongs to the landowner. So we gotta hit the road. So I guess I was having a little bit of camera issues, so you can't see it. But one of the things I wanted to touch on was the inflating process. So the same area in the Jinkey where you can bleed the air out with that little screw that you screw in is the same area where you can also attach an inflation device. So I originally commented that I thought the inflating was going rather quickly, but then I noticed this. All right, so when I said that it inflates pretty quickly, turns out it wasn't inflating one of the tires. So it was only inflating one of them, which is why it was quick. But because the front two tires, when I was inflating those, actually took a little while. So final thoughts about the Jinkey. I think it's a pretty handy device, and I like that you're able to inflate or deflate two tires to the same PSI. It does take a while to do it, and I'm a little skeptical of what happened on that one occasion when it aired only one tire instead of two. Maybe it was my own user error, in which case double check that you've got it hooked up right. Only thing I can't comment on is how long this will last before something breaks. If they let me keep it, I'll let you know. Anyways, you can pick this up on Amazon for around $40, and I'm definitely happy with it as a beginner off-roader. Besides that, I'll see you guys in the next video.